Hey everyone, Frugal Panda here with a quick review of the Mega. It's the Mega 91900 Plastic Creeper. Omega 91900 Plastic Creeper. The price on this was pretty dirt cheap on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description for this on Amazon. It came really fast. Maybe a day or two. It couldn't have took that long for it to actually get here. And when you get it, it comes in a big box. It's fully put together. You do not need to assemble anything on this. It is together. If you wanted to, you can check and make sure the wheels are tightened and stuff like that. I honestly forgot. So that's just how it is. So I could have been sliding out and the wheels flew off or something, but they haven't. And by the time this video has came out, I'm putting it together today. I have used this fully for over a month in my resto project with a 1988 Suburban, GMC Suburban I'm working on. My old one is broken down and buckled and crappy. This one is sturdy. This is a plastic one. The weight limit on it is going to be 300-pound capacity. The length is 36 inches. The width is 16 inches. It'll fit a lot of people. Now, if you're quite wide and you know your body size, this may not be for you. Me, I'm 6 foot, about 205. Of course, my dog comes and bothers me. This is my new dog. If you didn't see him, my old one passed away. Old Bubba passed away. Cancer got him. Anyway, this is me sitting on it, and like I said, I've used this for over a month, and it is so much better than my old one where the wheel would jam up and I couldn't get under the freaking vehicle and all this stuff. This one slides good. It was comfortable. I do like that it's form-fitting for my size of my body, and people probably smaller than me, so it's cool. It works really great. Like I said, swivel casters on it too are the wheels that actually are on this. Not much to say on it. I think it's a great deal. It was super cheap. I won't put the price because the price has changed so much on these, I'll leave an Amazon link in the description. I hope this helps someone out here that's on a budget and needs a new creeper. Anyway, thanks for watching. Frugal Panda out.